Good morning, everybody. It's Sean with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. Here in Heathrow, over in Lake Mary, Florida. This roof right over my shoulder here, believe it or not, is a roof that we only did about 5 months ago, back in January. We came back out because the homeowner had a small leak and a couple other small issues he wanted us to check out, see if there's anything we can do about it. And we noticed actually that the shingles were deteriorating quite quickly. They were losing a lot of their little rock granules, all those colored rocks on top of the shingles. They were losing those a lot faster than they should have. So what we did, we immediately called the manufacturer, which is Owens Corning. We have a great relationship with them. And what Owens Corning has done now is they are replacing this roof for this homeowner again at no cost. Because we want to be able to warranty our work, get your full warranty from us, your full warranty from the manufacturer. So what's important about having a proper roofing contractor is just that. Not everybody would know what to do in this situation. They would probably not even know what to look for, and they wouldn't even realize that their shingles were going bad a lot faster than they should have. Like I said, this roof was only 5 months old, and it was aging very quickly. It was losing a lot of that rough, granular texture on top. So it's very important to have a roofing contractor that has experience with this, because as you can imagine, things happen. Not every product comes out of the manufacturer perfectly, but we stand behind our work and we want to make sure this roof's up here for as long as humanly possible. So we're taking care of this for the homeowner. We're getting him a brand new roof here once again at no cost to him, and he's gonna have full warranties through us, through the manufacturer and everybody, and he's gonna be good to go. All right, guys, up here on the roof now. See, we've got all our new shingles here delivered, ready to go. This roof is only 5 months old, guys. This roof should not be aging this quickly, so that's why we wanted to call this warranty claim in. That's what I wanted to show you guys. So we're gonna keep moving along here, tearing it off section by section, drying in as we go to avoid any problems with rain we might have, because you know how Florida can be. We're gonna keep rocking and rolling and get this homeowner the brand new roof he deserves.